Hey guys, welcome back to our channel where we review the latest and greatest products in the market. Today, we are comparing two espresso machines, Breville Barista Touch and Gevi Espresso Machine. If you're a coffee connoisseur and looking for a new machine for your home, then this comparison video is for you. Before we start, make sure to like the video, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel for more reviews like this. The Breville Barista Touch comes with an intuitive touchscreen display that makes it super easy to make your favorite cafe coffee in 3 simple steps: grind, brew, and milk. One of its standout features is its automatic microfoam milk texturing that allows you to adjust milk temperature and texture to your liking. Due to its innovative thermojet heating system, it has a faster heat-up time and is ready to make your coffee in seconds. The Gevi Espresso Machine, on the other hand, has limited features, lacks a touchscreen display, and may not be as user-friendly as the Breville. The Breville Barista Touch is a high-end espresso machine with advanced features, which makes it more expensive than the Gevi Espresso Machine. However, both products pack a punch for their respective price tags. The Breville Barista Touch is definitely more expensive but offers more features for coffee lovers who want to take their coffee to the next level. On the other hand, the Gevi Espresso Machine is more budget-friendly and offers good value for the money. The Breville Barista Touch comes with digital temperature control that ensures optimal espresso extraction by delivering water at precisely the right temperature. Due to its precise temperature control, it produces consistent and rich-tasting espressos every time. On the other hand, the Gevi Espresso Machine lacks this feature and may not deliver the same level of consistent quality in espresso extraction. And that's our comparison for the Breville Barista Touch and Gevi Espresso Machine. Both are great options for coffee lovers, with Breville being a high-end option while Gevi is a budget-friendly option. It all comes down to personal preferences and what features are important to you. We hope you find this comparison video useful. Don't forget to like the video, leave your comments, and subscribe to our channel for more reviews.